Morning guys, karibuni sana. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. We're going couch shopping today, but first house. I've just realized I left my water bottle in the car, so that sucks because I might have to buy water. I need to move with water, especially when I'm outside. I don't want to get dehydrated. Yeah, so that sucks. And then I'm just gonna quickly grab a snack for the road for when I get hungry, because I don't want to have to buy food, because chances are very high I'll buy junk food. So let's go. So I'm in Gara. I'm at the guys for Sofa Zetu, and I've decided to go with them because I can afford them. Anyway, so I've picked the fabrics that I want for the seats and for the throw pillows, because they come with 3 pillows. I'll tell you everything about it later. A bunch of cats are fighting. Anyway, so I'm back to the car. I mean, window shopping was fun and all, but you know, at the end of the day I have to come back to my lane. This car workshop is for some page called Sofa Zetu on IG. The work is really nice. Okay, from the photos I saw, the work was really nice, and at least the thing I like about them, yes, they post some photos they've stolen off the internet, but without credit, but they also do post photos of their clients' seats, or like things seats they've done before. So that's what took me to them. The design and everything, and I'm excited because because I'm finally getting sofas. I've not paid yet because you need to pay deposit for half price for work to start. I've not paid yet, but I will, and then they promised to deliver in 10 days. But I told the guy I want progress photos. I'm an architect. I go to site all the time, so I need to see progress after every milestone. Whenever there's a milestone, show me. So I told him, and he was open to it, and that's very comforting as a client, because ideally you're trusting someone that you don't know with your money and hoping that they will deliver what they promise to. So it's comforting to know that at least they know that it's a worry. Oh my god, it is hot. I'm sweating. And I'm just so excited, and I can't wait to get my sofas because the design is so nice. I hope he gets it because I've shown him a photo of what exactly I want. So yeah, I've given him all the details. He's given me a receipt that has every single thing. So let me tell you guys what comes within the package. Like I said before, I'm getting a 5-seater, a 3-seater, and 2 armchairs. Yeah, so I've chosen the fabrics, the fabric for the seats, the design, the height of the feet the height of the feet, and also throw pillows. Actually, the 5-seater comes with 4 throw pillows, so that's fun. At least I get throw pillows. I didn't want a seat with cushions because the way my seat is set up I'm already calling it my seat, but the way my seat is set up is the seat itself is the design feature, so I don't want cushions to now come again and hide it. So I've chosen to get throw pillows. And actually, I've just learned something new. Oh my god, I'm actually sweating. So I've learned something new today about sofa making and whatnot. Apparently, the sofas are made with the cushion, nini, and then if you want it to be that soft look, that soft feeling, you know, there's those ngumu sofas. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but I'll put up a photo. There's those ngumu sofas which are just flat, they look like you're sitting on board, and then there's these softer ones which they're kind of thick, they look like they've nodded a bit. So he's told me that for those ones they just add fiber, so that's an extra charge. You have to pay a bit more for that, which I'm down for because I'm not going to sit on boards. That's no no way. Oh my god, it's hot. Wow, but I've missed the heat. I'm not even complaining. Yeah, so like I was saying, fiber you pay extra, and then delivery is free within Nairobi, but I don't live in Nairobi, so I have to pay for delivery as well, which I don't mind anyway. It's not as much compared to it. So for the 5-seater, the 311, I'm getting it for 38. Sorry, I moved the camera. I'm getting it for 38,000, and for the entire set and the pillows. And then to add the fiber is an extra 2G, so that's 40k, and then delivery is an extra 2k, so that's 42k for everything. But deposit is just the half price, the 20k, the half price for the sofa. So I just need to pay the 20k, and then they can start, and they promise to finish and deliver in 10 days. So that's not too bad, at least, especially with timing right now. It's almost towards the end of the month, so at least I can get my sofas just when August is beginning. And I'm obsessed with everything, the design, the fabric, but all of this is still an idea, it's still a concept. So I've laid my heart out to him. I hope he does not disappoint me. I'm so proud of myself, and I cannot wait to see my sofas in my living room. I think I'll sleep on those sofas that night. Screw the bed. I guess I'll see you guys after 10 days when my sofas are being delivered. Then you can see for yourself and judge for yourself it's worth the money. And yeah, I'll see you guys then. Hey guys, so my seats are finally here. They were delivered and carried all the way up to my apartment, so delivery caters for that as well. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. They did turn out a lot bulkier than I expected, but but it's okay. I can live. The thing is, they're just so big. They're a lot bigger than I envisioned, so they've really overwhelmed my tiny living room. But we move. They look great.